What does spinning top candlestick indicates? In this video, let's understand story of spinning top. Is this actually bullish sign or bearish sign? First of all, let's understand structure of this spinning top. Spinning top looks like this: sell pressure, buy pressure, and closing like this. The green closing looks like this. First of all, open and close. Okay, this is the green spinning top. For the red, which is bearish spinning top, open is above and close is below, and it generates body like this. Most of the time it tries to indicate new movement is coming in the market, reversal coming in the market. Let's see on the chart how actually spinning top showing a story. If you check carefully, when spinning top generates, just wait for the next market movement. Here we go, this is the spinning top right now, and how actually market is formed after creating spinning top. After spinning top, we have seen here market is returned. Okay, spinning top was closed like this, 107,210, and afterwards price is shown uptrend movement till 108,204. That's about 1% movement is done. How to plan trade when spinning top generates? If suppose spinning top is generating at the bottom, which is support point, okay, this is the spinning top, and we have to keep in mind that only spinning top formation is not enough. Try to compound multiple forms like support and candlestick formation like this. This was the support point, and afterwards candle is formed and market is reversed. Whenever spinning top generates, first check with the support point, afterwards flipper, which is spinning top, and wait for the final confirmation. Final confirmation is very much needed. When it creates one spinning top, make sure to have some confirmation like this before involving real money. Form high and lows of spinning top. When next candle comes like this, okay, this candle has opened and closed just at the point of this red point. It means the second candle is also given question mark. First candle is given question mark. When it gives actual mark, when green candle closes above the high of spinning top, it means it is now green signal. First is wait for formation of the spinning top with support point. Afterward, next mark is green candle must close above the previous spinning top's high, and we are good to go with that trade. You can consider placing stop loss below the low point of spinning top and hold your trade. You might get 1:1, 1:2 trade after getting this signal from spinning top. If you consider the profit ratio from this level, here we go. 2% movement is done, and stop loss ratio was 0.43. This can considered a very good trade. If you go with the risk reward point, this is actually a fantastic. Risk reward ratio is 4 to 5. Okay, Prime XBT crypto exchange is currently running promotional event for new users. Link of this platform is given in the video's description. You can choose Prime XBT platform to trade gold, stocks, indices, commodities, and many more forex pairs. The first starter reward is when you join with my affiliate link. Affiliate link is mentioned in the video's description. You can get 20% deposit credits. And next starter benefits is trade like a VIP from day 1. Enjoy 30 days of VIP 2 status. No trading volume is required. Start with professional trading conditions right away. VIP 2 benefits includes up to 70% lower trading fees on crypto, maker 0.01% and taker 0.015%. Reduce the spreads by up to 30% on forex, commodities, indices. Priority support, faster withdrawals, and higher transaction limits. This is beneficial offer for new users, and you can catch VIP 2 benefits once you join with my link. Why to choose Prime XBT? Operating since 2018, trusted by millions users across 150 plus countries. 100 plus payment options are available. Explore now and see if it's right for you. Disclaimer: this content is for informational and educational purpose only. It does not constitute financial advice. Please do your own research before applying anything. After sign up procedure, once you log in your account, to deposit your funds, simply click on wallet and check available options. Money, crypto. With money you can use different methods other than cryptocurrencies. In crypto tab, you can use multiple cryptocurrencies to deposit from multiple wallets / exchanges. PX trader section will allows you to trade gold, commodities, stock, indices pairs. Crypto futures, this is crypto oriented section. Copy trading feature is there where you can follow up the masters and follow up their trades. Money thread is there. When you get any gifts from exchanges, rewards from exchanges, it will be considered as money. Crypto wallet is there where you can see your crypto funds. After completing your deposit process, simply switch where you want to trade. If these options are not showing, simply click on new account, create account which you want to use. Let's say crypto futures. Just continue, select the asset and create account. Currently I have created account. Okay, simply you have to click on crypto futures in order to trade crypto pairs. Here you can get up to 200x leverage option for the cross margin type. Okay, and check the comfortable asset BTC USDT. Select your number of USDT you want to include with terms of leverage. Let's say if you want to use $10 with 10x leverage, simply you can enter value 10 into 100, which is 1000 USDT, can be traded with 10 USDT by using 10x leverage. This can be a good thing for the leverage traders. Estimated fees, available USDT, margin impact and estimated liquidation price will show accordingly. To trade gold, oil, cryptocurrencies, you might consider Prime XBT crypto platform. Link of this platform is given in the video's description. Not only this, I can show you one more signal from the spinning top. Not only spinning top, there are bunch of candlesticks which has different signs, different signs of the market. This is also can be considered as the spinning top, guys. Here we go. After closing the candles high, it is continued uptrend moment. Same thing happened here. Okay, you don't need to deal with each and every candlesticks with each and every price levels. You have to follow some rules and discipline. That's it. And always go with stop loss point. Cut off your trade with minimum losses instead of holding the whole long trade. Same thing is here. Spinning top is generated. Next candle was strong and closed above this point, but this time stop loss has been clicked. This strategy will not work all time, but it can work most of the time. Okay, in this case your stop loss might be hidden. When we place stop loss below this point of spinning top, it actually a great point, but due to some market volatility, price is shown reversal and it is stop loss hunt. It is clear stop loss hunt. If you follow only spinning top strategy, you might get some less trades, but it is worth waiting and following one strategy. You can check each and every trade has the flipper point. Before you take any type of trade, try to observe the market with support and resistance point, and you can consider adding one more strategy of spinning top. I hope this was helpful for you. You can backtest this on chart, offline chart. Once you realize it is okay for you, then you can apply on your system. As usual, risk warning, cryptocurrency is subject to market risk. Before you join any type of strategy, indicator, make sure you are following complete risk of terms or do your own research. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.